Just staring at us.
I think I did pretty good.
For what? Trying to freak us out?
Why?
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 Stop
Just
touching
tell
it.
us why. Tell us why.
Yeah, cover that bitch up. Oh my god, type fast. To gazing. Wall. Wait. What's happening? I think he's rubbing
a penis.
Waving his dick around like, hey! Is that how you greet everybody on Omegle? Like, why?
Is that like a hello?
He probably can't even hear us, and we're just sitting here like, blah, 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 blah.
Hi there.
Hi.
Hello.
Nice ears.
Thank you.
What are you guys dressed up as?
Elves?
What do you? Well, yes, elves, but there's different kinds of elves, aren't there?
Yeah, that's true.
That is very true.
Did you think about this? Because I didn't.
I didn't.
Good.
Just
That
like
was,
ears.
that was my last question. So if you answered it, I would be like, okay, I'm done. You got me.
I mean, if anything, I'd probably be a wood elf. I mean, I'm pretty green.
I'd be a
Okay.
night elf.
You would be a night elf. Yes, you would.
There you go. Great answers. That's perfect.
Suck on that. I see a ball sack. It was a peeking at me.
What was peeking at you?
A ball sack. I'm not looking at a pillow. You're trying to smother me. Oh, hey. Oh, God. Why are you looking at me like that?
Come sideways on your ass. No, come.
Are you
gonna
gonna shoot
Pen.
through your laptop? Like, are you really willing to do that?
Are you a Democrat?
I'm not gonna tell you that.
I would. Quit blocking the damn highways and let the trucks through. You pissed off pieces of shit. God.
Please keep
Somebody
going.
Go with your life and quit breaking your hair purple. God. God.
Oh, he just kept going.
He was angry.
That kid was like 12 and he's pointing guns at me.
I don't know what we were doing there. I was just going with you guys.
I don't know. You're just like making faces at people.
Yeah.
You were down for so long, I thought you were frozen.
I make great faces.
Let me see.
But the best ones are in bed though, so I'm sorry.
Come on.
Yo, Solomento. Donnie, we got 2 girls, bro.
Hey, what's up, cutie?
Are you excited? You got 2 girls?
Yeah, this
We've
nigga,
been getting-
I
we've been
obviously I'm excited.
we've
Look
been
at
getting
you
dick.
pretties. Oh my god, dude.
Where are you guys
Look
from?
We're from Russia, originally.
Very nice. Where are you now?
Florida.
Florida.
Sounds sexy,
Yeah.
right?
Let's go!
Yeah, with
Sounds
all the
about
old
right.
people.
Sounds about right, right?
Alligators.
What you guys up to tonight?
This.
Sex, drugs, fingering, if you know.
And alcohol.
What?
I love how he's drinking a Capri Sun.
The best.
Where'd you get a Capri Sun?
Yeah,
Your
nigga.
mom?
He's like, I want one. Your mom.
We're on the water polo team.
Sorry?
Like college or high school?
College.
Okay.
USF.
What?
We play for USF.
USF. I don't know what. I'm a girl. I don't know anything about fucking sports.
University of South Florida. Look it up.
Oh.
Oh my god, that scared me.
No, you guys look so pretty.
Oh my.
Thank you.
Are you guys like dressing up as someone?
Yeah, we're just hanging out.
We're just hanging out.
Who are you guys dressed up
That
as?
kind of scared me.
Boo.
I mean, I cosplayed it as someone, but like, I really wanted to wear the wig, but like,
Do it.
myself is like everyone, because like the girl that I was doing it, her skin is like very pale, so my friends told me not to because I look pale like right now, but like I'm usually
Fuck your
like,
friend.
Yeah. Face.
I'm gonna fucking have a nightmare.
Good.
Good.
Sleep house demon. What? Why?
Why?
Stop.
Why?
Stop it. Stop it. Hello. You're welcome.
Whoa.
Whoa.
Yo, you guys want to see my dying dogs?
What? No. What the fuck? What is with people? What is that?
cannot hear you. Was it? Wait.
That was frightening. You hug that pillow. So I'm gonna go with you're in grade school. Oh, I called it! I don't want to type. It's fine. It's not fine, obviously. Oh, sorry. Sorry. Hello. Be my friend. I need friends. I need a new friend. Be my friend. Shower curtain. Oh, I thought you were trying to hold my hand. Do you have them both? I don't have a boner. What?
I said you have them both in.
Oh no. I'm like, I don't think I can do that. Are we recording?
Yes.
Okay. Are you sure? Are you 100% positive? Okay.
Yes.
Just making sure. Oh, here we go. You ready? Like blew a load. I got the sharts. You know, when you feel like you're gonna fart and then a little bit of poop comes out.